Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. And in previous video, we have made this form and we have also successfully inserted the data in this our table. And in this video, we will bring this table, this data from this table and we will show it. We shall show it down it here. So I go to my Notepad++. Here this index.php page is already open. So first of all, friend, I shall come here and I press enter right under the form, and here I will make a h2 tag and I shall make an anchor tag, anchor space href is equal to double quotes index.php. I give the same address question mark view. Here I have made this get variable, and here I write view users. This kind of variable is called get variable. Control S to save. So now I come here and I refresh this page. So now you can watch that this is the view users. If I come here and you watch here down at the bottom, when I bring my cursor over it, you can watch it is address localhost Computerfever MySQL_connection index.php and view. So friend, I have made this get variable. So now I go down. So first I make a comment here. I write here inserting data into table. I scroll it down and I come out of this PHP tag, and here I shall make one more PHP tag and I close it down, and one more comment I shall write here. Getting data from table. Because now we are going to get data from that table and we are going to show on the same page. So first I write if parentheses and curly braces. Here I write if is set, once again parentheses, and inside $_get. This time we shall use the get method, single quotes. I scroll it up once again and I show you that this is the get variable which I have made inside this anchor tag on the name of this view. Therefore, I am using here the get method in spite of post method. If is set $_get square brackets and single quotes, and here I shall write view, because once again I show you that I gave it the name this view. This view I am calling here down. So here I write an echo command, and first of all I will make a table tag. I give it a width $700, and inside the PHP we shall use the single cars in spite of double cars, because we are using the double cars inside the PHP, and when we write the HTML codes inside the PHP, we shall always use the single cars with 700 border 2 and bg color is equal to orange. Now I make one tier tag, and just for your convenience I close this table here, and here I close that tier tag, and inside the tier I make th tag, table heading, and inside it I make a b tag, bold tag, user number, column, and I duplicate it more 3 times, username, second one, third one user email, user password, and I duplicate it more 2 times. Here I write delete user, and edit user. Column to close. I delete it, and here I press enter. So friends, first of all we will close this table. So friends, in this way I have closed this table tag inside the echo. I also bring it up, and here I shall also put semicolon, and I close it. So friend, I would like to tell you that I wrote this echo inside this PHP if is set fancy $get and view, and it was the view which I wrote here, and then I made a table, because in PHP when we show any data, we show that data inside the echo. Therefore I wrote this echo tag, and inside this echo I made this table. And now after this these fences, because I have closed this echo here, I shall begin to write the query. So I make a local variable here on the name of select underscore users is equal to, so here I write select all, static means select all from users, select all from users underscore data, select all from users underscore data, order by descending, limit 0, 5 and semicolon to close. Actually, I did not put the double quotes here. Therefore, it is showing in this way here too. And in the same way, this semicolon I am to put in the end. So friend, I have written this query select and first of all I made a local variable select underscore users, and I assigned this query to it is equal to select all static mean all from user underscore data order by. There is a mistake in spelling. Order by descending. Actually, all the words are capital. And it is limit should be 0, 5. Secondly, here I shall make one more variable run users is equal to mysqli underscore query parenthesis and semicolon to close. And here I will first of all call the collection $count, and second value I will put this one. I copied, Control C to copy and Control V to paste $select underscore users. And after each friend I shall run a while loop. I have already taught you the method of while loop, the usage of while loop in PHP basics. So while parenthesis and curly brackets. So inside these parentheses I will make one local variable on the name of $row is equal to, and I shall use this default mysqli command mysqli underscore fetch underscore array and parentheses. Actually, we use this command mysqli underscore fetch underscore array to bring the multiple data, to get the multiple data from any table. So here I shall write this inside it run user, inside this parenthesis. I mean whatever the data will be inside this run user, this while loop will bring it. Due to this mysqli underscore fetch underscore array command. And here I shall press enter, and I make some more local variables, mean user ID. First of all, user underscore ID is equal to this $row square brackets and semicolon to close. And here I will write first user underscore ID. I show you that the first I gave it, this is the user underscore ID which I have written here. Now I shall duplicate it more 3 times and I shall just change the value. Username, user email and user pass. In the same way, I will also change its value here. I write here username, user email and user pass. So friend, once again, now I am to show this data. Therefore, I shall write under it, under this while loop, I shall write one more echo. Semicolon to close, and I press enter. Inside this echo, I shall make tr and I shall complete it, close it down. So inside it, I make one td, and here I shall put the first value. First value is this one, $user ID. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Now I shall duplicate it more 3 times, and the second value I shall put here, Control V. I copy the third value and I shall put it here. Now I copy the fourth value and I shall paste it here. Now I press enter, and here I make one more td and I duplicate it, and this td will be for delete and for the edit. Control S to save. Now friend, I go here and I refresh this page. So if I click over it, view users, there is one error, MySQL_fetch array expects parameter 1 to be MySQL result, and this data, the heading, username, user number, username, user email, user pass, delete user and edit user is being shown, but there is a one error, so it does not matter. I go back to my Notepad++ for editor and I scroll it up. First I see the query. Actually I wrote the query, select all from users underscore data order by descending, limit 05. Actually I was to write here 1, order by 1. And now I go back here, come back to my Chrome browser and I refresh the page. So friend, now you are watching that all this data is being shown here. Sobia number 1, Zohaib and Noor. And here you can also see that all this data is also showing here. I hope that you would have understood it. In next video, I shall come back and begin to do work over it again. See you in next video.